Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL. This thing is really cool. I'm a huge fan of the Ridgeline. I always really have been. Nice truck bed. This one has the 3.5 liter V6. Good amount of room back here. All your books and manuals. Intelligent traction management, so you have normal, snow, mud, and sand. So that's your sunglasses holder, as well as your rear visibility. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Give a little space. It does feature VTEC, which is awesome in the V6. Right about 5,500 RPM. Second cam comes on and adds a bit more power. These seats are super comfortable too. You have nice armrest that is adjustable. You move it all the way down and you can kind of hear the clicking. So right where you want it to be, you can set it. Because you don't have the traditional center console where you can rest your arm. Instead, each seat gets their own armrest. This one has just a little under 32,000 miles. You also have what's known as stuck vehicle assist. So if you're stuck in deep snow or whatnot, you can set the traction control to stuck vehicle assist and will help you get out. It's nice we'll be able to get it from a decent pull in here. Wow. Really nice driving vehicle. The Ridgeline is kind of today's El Camino, meaning it's a truck, a car truck. So it's excellent for people who want a truck but don't want truck-like handling. So it's based on a car platform. I believe it's the Accord platform, and it's basically a Pilot with a truck bed. Interior is all very nice. Nice, decent soft touch materials, especially on all the common touch points. Now we'll see how it handles. Not bad. Let's see how it does over the bumps. Should be really good. I didn't even feel him, honestly. Overall, the Ridgeline is really an excellent vehicle. Drives just like the Pilot, and that is not a complaint. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.